To add magnifier widget to your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. And then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen. Tap magnifier. Now tap and hold the magnifier widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. To use the magnifier widget, tap the widget to start using your camera to magnify your surrounding. If needed, you can adjust the magnification level by sliding the zoom level adjustment bar to the right or to the left. Here you can also turn on torch so that you can magnify better in the dark or at night. To stop using your camera as magnifier, close the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.